Using a Phillips as screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and remove the screw up top here and one down below. And grab the taillight. I'm going to pull it away or outward, pulling the plastic lock tabs out of the body. Go ahead and grab the sockets, twist them counterclockwise, remove your bulbs. Go ahead and install our bulbs. We'll install our tabs or our post into the body. We'll go ahead and get our upper screw lined up and we'll thread that in. We don't want to tighten that down yet. We want to go ahead and get our lower screw lined up. Pop that in. Once we get both of these caught on the taillight, we can now go ahead and tighten them down. And we'll go ahead and snug that screw down and then go back up to the upper one and we'll snug that one down.